How to send USDT on TRC20 on Binance. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. Binance is a global company that operates the largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. If you are looking to send USDT on TRC20 on Binance, watch this video till the end. The first step is to open up any web browser. Then you want to head over to Binance.com. Now, the first step is to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to click on the asset icon at the top. Then from this list of options, select Overview. Once you are on Overview, you want to click on the option of Withdraw. It will be next to Deposit and Transfer. Once you click on the Withdraw option, you will have to fill up some details. The first step is to select Coin. Here, you want to make sure that you select USDT. Once you have selected this, the next step is to enter the address you're going to send it to. After entering the address, select the withdrawal network. Then after, you want to enter the withdraw amount. Once all the details have been entered, you want to double check it. Then, if all the details are correct, click on the option of withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, you will have to follow some more security steps. After all the verification has been completed, you will successfully send USDT on TRC20 on Binance, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.